Right, we are back for our coilover install finally. I know we've been taking ages, but you know, I've had a lot of stuff going on. I had to move house, birthdays, this, that, whatever. But finally, we are back to it. This is running, leaking a lot of oil.
Got a misfire.
Yeah, got a misfire. We need to fix that too in this video. We don't know what it is, because everything that was on the last motor is on this motor.
Minus the manifold.
Minus the manifold, injectors, fuel rails, whatever. So it could be anything, we don't know.
We're gonna look into that.
We haven't installed these before either, haven't installed coilovers at all.
Man.
So hopefully they're easy.
I guess so. They look pretty self-explanatory. So,
but I guess we'll find out and see if we do it right or wrong.
Yep.
If it's wrong, we'll have to fix it. If it's right, we'll leave it.
Yep. So if you're watching this video to learn how to do them,
don't watch it.
Don't take it from us, because we're learning as well.
Because we're gonna do it backwards.
Yes, very backwards.
Getting it out is easy, but
it's making sure that
the new one in is not.
It's not even that. The way it all sits.
Yeah, I don't know.
Everyone's probably watching.
Look at these idiots.
These guys are fucking dumb.
Yeah, but you know what? I don't care.
No, me either.
Well, we got the first one out like 5 minutes later.
In the middle of contortioning. Hang on a second.
Of what?
Contortioning.
I don't even know what that means.
Contortionists. You know, they get themselves into like tight little boxes and shit. The people.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, we've got it out finally. Time to try and tackle this coilover thing. Well, we are back for day 2. It was a little bit late the other night. Probably shouldn't have started it because it was pretty much a waste of time. But we do have both front struts out. You probably can't see much from there, but this right-hand coilover is in. We think it's right, like I've said. We don't know what we're doing with coilovers. But to fix this misfire, we have some coils, got some spark plugs. Hopefully that fixes it, because right now it is about 1:30, 2 o'clock on the Friday. And we've come up with the great idea of going to Bairnsdale tomorrow and leaving it probably 5 AM or so. Yeah, it wasn't really on the cards. We were probably going to go to the next one. Actually, we were going to go to the very last Bairnsdale in September. But I don't know, we thought, you know, we've got tyres from last time. All we've got to do is hopefully change these things and it's ready to go. It probably needs a service too, if I'm quite honest. I guess we'll just wait and see how we go. We should get it done today. If we change all this, you know, I can change the manifold again to the old one, just in case it is somehow injectors or the fuel rails. We can change the leads and then it doesn't fix the misfire. We won't be going, but we can only hope. Yeah, hopefully the next clip is us. Not the next clip, but the next few clips are us fixing it and we're going, yep, sweet, let's go to Bairnsdale tomorrow. But we'll have to wait and see. I don't know how well you're gonna hear this, but I'm gonna start it up and you will be able to see how bad this misfire really is. Oh. Okay, no power, hold on. Right, now let's try that again. Jump packs on it. Hopefully this does the trick. We just put a brand new battery in this thing. I'm gonna just start working on these coil packs, spark plugs. Look, these are still, you can see they're GM, they're the factory plugs. So, needless to say, I reckon they haven't really been changed. So, we got some freshies. Hopefully, these do the job and fix this little misfire that we got going on. If not, onto coils. Coil packs, spark plugs are done. Didn't change the leads. I'm gonna just start working on these coilovers. That side's pretty much in. It's just tightening everything up. hopefully it's in all right. Otherwise, we are going to have that situation where something's going to snap or something silly like that. I'm hoping it's all right. We've asked a couple of people. Everyone said it's all good. But, you know, you just never know. Like, I've got no idea. I really don't have any idea. You know, we've watched a couple of videos. Hopefully that is enough. These rear ones, pretty self-explanatory. So that, obviously, your bump stop. That goes in. And then this is just down here, it's just to adjust your height. That's pretty easy. Shock, easy. This, I've got no idea. We did bend this sway bar link while pulling it off, but you know, nothing a bit of bending back won't hurt. So yeah, let's get onto this and hopefully this all works out well. This side here is pretty much in. I just got to connect the sway bar link and just tighten these little, I don't even know what you'd call. Tighten these up. I did find though, with the coilovers, when we put them in before, we had them facing, so this was actually in this side facing this way, and we're like, why can we not get the ABS and the brake line to fit into where it normally sits? So we were just silly and actually have to, they're obviously go on certain sides. We just put this one in on the wrong side. So the ABS line fits in here and the brake line fits perfectly in there. So if you are going to put these in your car, make sure that these are on the right side. Make sure that they are facing the front of the car, not the rear like we had them. I do have this side on. Originally we did have this on the other side, but then I found out quickly that obviously this goes in there, that ABS wire goes in there. So now they're on the right side. We did have them on the wrong side, but they're in all sweet, all done up, sway bar links in, all fine. I do have to put the little adjuster knob back on here. You know, you can put a hard and soft setting. So that side's done. That was fairly easy. I marked it just in case. I'm hoping I've done it right, but if I haven't, we're going to find out really quick when we see these marks move. So we'll take it for a test drive once it's all done and see how we go. Coilovers are in. Looks like we've got the old invisible caravan but up the front. So look, they weren't actually that bad to put in. You just got to, you know, make sure you obviously have them on the same height on each side. All in. It is quite low. But you know, once we lower the rear, it'll even it out a fair bit. Hopefully it's not too low, but if it's fine, hopefully Kobe is on his way soon. We'll move the trailer and stuff and I've already got my jump pack on it. That's not strong enough to kick this thing in the guts to start it. So hopefully we can, you know, connect his car, my car, whatever, jump start it and it starts, and that misfire's gone because obviously these coil packs and spark plugs are brand new. Then it can only, you know, dim it down to a couple of things. So let's get onto the rears now. These ones should be relatively easy. So obviously you got your bottom shock bolt, which you can access from here. Top one, you go from the boot, and then these, obviously just replace your, replace your normal spring and strut top and bump stop. So let's slap these in and get it all done and hopefully ready for tomorrow. So wheel is off. You've got your your stock spring here. Say if you do have stock springs, but these sometimes they can be a little bit of a pain to get out. So you know, sometimes you'll have to chuck your spring compressors on them if you can get them in there properly. So because we had enough trouble with the front, I'm hoping someone's good to me and just allows this to pop out easy. And I can chuck those coilovers in and we're all done. Fingers crossed, but that's never what happens with me, at least. So we'll just see how we go. Toby's here.
No, it is turning. I need something.
It's not turning. I can see it from here.
Top is. I need a little...
I'm trying to film here. Shut up.
Sorry.
But we got here. Well, he got here. We got that stock spring out. These, we're literally going to put him in as is. So however Max Peating Rod sent it to us, That's how they're going in. So if they're too low, blame them, not us.
Yep.
Who's just undoing that shock bolt in there, then we're pretty much on the way. Then we can start it. We figured out one thing. There was this alarm system that kept going off, which would set the hazards off when they're not even on. So hopefully that was our issue. If not, I don't know why we're killing battery. This is our second one and we've had the car for a few months. So we can only hope,
I also don't know why we're killing motors, because this is a second one.
Yeah, true. But that thing was beeping or flashing or whatever.
Yeah, it's
showing
got
some
power.
red dots, so we can only hope. Shocks going in, old ones out.
That was a bit violent.
Sorry. Oh, almost fell over.
Oh, look at that. Straight
See
in the
it?
hole. Yeah. Hang on a second.
Hanging on.
Can you go up more?
No, that's it.
Like push it up.
Oh, wait, yep. Is that enough?
Yep.
It's as easy as that, pretty much. Then this can just be lifted up, shock on there, and coil over here. It's actually a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
The fronts are a pain, but these are all right. Yeah, that is, that's very, is the shock in?
A little bit? No. No.
Oh!
It's not too high, but
Holy shit.
it wasn't too high. It's too low still.
Oh my God, I almost just killed you.
Yeah.
All right, well, I think that's pretty low.
Yeah.
So let's chuck a wheel on and see what it looks like.
What is-
Well, it's in, but this may be that tiny bit too low because by the time we get the jack on the tow bar,
With popped 14s.
oh, but it is also coilovers, so it shouldn't sag too much.
No.
So we can only
we'll
hope.
wait and see.
We can only hope. We'll get to the other side. Yeah, it is really stiff. Like it.
It's like
I reckon
toppies.
we keep doing that. The thing will get off the ground. Well,
That's
we'll
what's
get
gonna
to the
do
other
down
side.
Bairnsdale pad.
It'll be good because hopefully we can do 2 pumps off the bloody tow bar, and the wheels are off the ground.
Yeah. Let's hope we can get the tow bar, the jack under the tow bar.
I'm telling you, if we can get like a few pumps and it gets off the ground,
Yeah.
we can go lower.
Sweet. Sounds good.
I was just editing and I realised I forgot to film a couple of clips. So to break down long story short, we didn't go to Bairnsdale. We didn't get the Misfire fixed. We did end up changing spark plugs, coils, a cam sensor. Look, we've got a crank angle sensor, leads, injectors, fuel rails. It could be anything of them. So we've got injectors and fuel rails here, so we might change them over. Somehow it's them, I doubt it, but yeah, we definitely didn't get it fixed. Here's a clip of what it sounds like not fixed. But yeah, that's our video done. I know it's very choppy all around the joint. We are still learning, so please bear with us on that. We got definitely work on that because this is probably our worst one, with it being all around the place. But those coilovers were actually fairly easy to install, so thank you to Max Peen Rods for sending them. If you do want any budget coilovers, definitely hit them up. I'm pretty sure they can supply them for pretty much anything, so definitely don't hesitate to get in contact with them. So thank you again, and we'll see you in the next one.